Hi students, today we will discuss about condition for the intersection of two spheres. Okay, let S1 equal to 0 one sphere and S2 equal to 0 is the another sphere or the two spheres. R1 and R2 are the radius of each sphere and C1 and C2 are the centers of the given two spheres respectively. Now, number one condition, if C1 into C2 equal to R1 plus R2, then the given two spheres will touch externally. That is, the distance between centers C1 C2 equal to the sum of radii of two spheres, then they touch externally. That means like this. This is the S1, this is the S2, C1 is the first center and C2 is the second center, R is the radius of S1 and R2 is the radius of S2. The distance between C1 and C2 equal to the sum of radii of these two spheres, then the two spheres will touch externally. Now condition number 2. If C1 into C2 is less than R1 plus R2, then the two spheres cut one another. That is the figure is like this. This is the S1, this is the S2, this is the center C1, this is the center C2. The radius of S1 is R1, the radius of S2 equal to R2. The distance between C1 to C2 is less than R1 plus R2, then they cut, just intersect each other. Okay, last condition. If C1 into C2 equal to mod R1 minus R2, then the given two spheres touch internally. The figure is like this. Okay, figure is like this, touch internally. That is the distance between centers of two spheres differ 2 radii, then they touch internally. The distance between two spheres, the distance between two centers differ 2 radii, then they touch internally. Okay, this is the figure like this. Okay, finally, if C1 into C2 is greater than R1 plus R2, then the given two spheres do not intersect. That means the distance between center to center, two centers is greater than R1 plus R2, they do not intersect. That means the figure is like this. This is the figure. They do not intersect at each other. Okay, these are the 4 conditions for the intersection of two spheres. These are the 4 conditions of intersection of two spheres. Okay, thank you.